What is trust investment? The recent rocket in Bitcoin prices has attracted the attention of more mainstream investors, and the currency has gradually stepped out of the darkness of embarrassment. However, another risk arises. That is, the higher the price of Bitcoin is, the more people dig into Bitcoin. Bitcoin mining requires a huge investment of energy that Bitcoin miners use. According to statistics on blockchain.info, in April 2013, when each Bitcoin cost about $100, all the electricity consumed by Bitcoin mining machines was up to 1,000 megawatt hours per day, enough for 31,000 US households to spend worth up to $150,000 US. But by December, the figure had reached 105,000 megawatt hours per day, which cost about $15.8 million. As of December 4th, someone mined 4,800 Bitcoins, and it turns out that each Bitcoin cost nearly $3,300 of electricity. Compared to the Bitcoin price of 1,146 USD that day, exploiting every Bitcoin, the miner lost over $2,000. Bitcoin is not tied to any central bank system, but is mined by computers to form huge networks that consume huge amounts of power. The Digiconomist published the data on November 27, 2017. The global electricity for Bitcoin mining is 30.23 terawatts per year, equivalent to 0.13% of all of the electricity consumed worldwide. In Venezuela, many regions across the country have lost power due to the Bitcoin mining groups. In China, hydropower plants have lost huge amounts of electricity to Bitcoin mining systems. The Digiconomist also figured out that Bitcoin currently consumes an average of 32 terawatts of electricity per year, equivalent to 32 billion kilowatts of electricity. And this figure is sufficient to supply more than 3 million households living in the US. Accordingly, by 2019, the amount of electricity used for Bitcoin transactions could be equal to the electricity supplied to the entire United States. 6 months later, that amount of electricity could be equal to the amount of electricity consumed worldwide. This has made the amount of greenhouse gases on Earth rise and make climate change far worse. This has made the amount of greenhouse gases on Earth rise and make climate change worse and faster. How does trust investment work? Trust Investment is a cryptocurrency mining service providing an easy and safe way to buy mining power without having to install complex hardware or software. Our team of virtual money experts has an extensive knowledge of the digital currency field that builds the most effective and reliable virtual money mining facilities. Trust Investment is aimed at professional investors who want to access the potential of Bitcoin virtual money and other digital assets. Our flexible strategy is based on the following 3 technologies. Green Energy Exploitation Project, Solar Energy. Mining electronic currencies such as Bitcoin, BCH, and Bitcoin Core, BTC, need to use electricity to supply power from ASIC machines to benefit from exploitation. Over the past few years, when digital assets became increasingly popular and the hash rate SHA-256, BTH and BCH consensus algorithms rose to the highest level of all time. However, 78% of devices in our Bitcoin mining system use renewable energy sources such as solar energy. The benefits of social panels are increasingly superior to traditional sources of electricity. Miners can create electronic money with incentives. This renewable energy source can be used with a reuse of up to 72% of used heat. Exploiting with chips, ASIC. An application-specific integrated circuit is a device with a circuit and chip designed specifically for cryptocurrency operation. It is called a plowing machine because of its higher performance. To distinguish it from Buffalo, a VGA miner, that means using traditional computer graphics cards to exploit electronic money. ASIC is a chip specifically designed to perform only one task. Unlike FPGAs, an ASIC cannot be changed to perform other tasks. An ASIC is designed to exploit Bitcoin, which can only be used for Bitcoin and will only exploit Bitcoin. ASIC's inflexibility is offset by the fact that it provides 100-fold hashtag capability compared to CPU and GPU, while reduces power consumption compared to all previous technologies. Exploiting by bot trade AI. With IA Trader, we make full use of the coins mined on the system and use AI Trader to exploit the coins available in the market. AI Trader with artificial intelligence can make definitive decisions about positions on orders, cut losses, or allocate reasonable capital to maximize profits. The amount of profit that we gain can be from 5 to 30% monthly from AI Trader.